Als nächster Schritt
The next step is to clean the copper pipes and prepare them for soldering.
für die Lötung vor.
The copper manifolds are cleaned at the soldering point on the inside of the pipes with a soft wire brush. The tubes of the absorber strips must be cleaned on the outside with steel wool. The soldering paste is then carefully and evenly applied with a brush to the cleaned areas. After all parts have been cleaned and the soldering paste has been applied, the collector pipes can be connected with the absorber strips. A rubber hammer can help here. Thank you for watching. In the next video, soldering of the copper manifolds to the absorber strips and fixing them by riveting.